Hi, my name is Dana, and I am part of the Amplify team. This 3-minute tutorial will walk you through how to use the Amplify dashboard to make your Duda site AMP compliant and improve its SEO. Following the installation of the app, our algorithm goes over each web page and creates an AMP compliant version of it. When the conversion is over, you'll see the status is changed to approval required. This is where we're at now. Now we can see the single page view and review the created AMP version. It's showing up in the preview window, and we have a few options. Open the AMP page in a new tab to get a more detailed view of it. A speed preview tool which shows the expected PSI score of the AMP page. The tool also includes a button to preview how fast the page would open from the Google search results where it is being preloaded. A Generate button to update the AMP version outside of the regular update schedule. If you make changes to your page and you want to see them in the AMP version, use this button. Now, we can approve the page in order to publish it. Once the page is published, we can always click Skip to unpublish. Some pages will have specific elements that require review. Here we have a custom HTML element, and it's marked with the orange marching ants border only in the preview window. To keep the element, click Approve. Clicking Discard will hide the element only in the AMP version. It will continue to appear as usual in the HTML version. A decision made for an element will persist across all instances of the same element on other pages. If we have many pages and we don't want to go over page by page, we can click the Amplify All Pages checkbox. Now, all the pages have been published, with the exception of 2 pages that require further review. When looking inside, we can see that both pages have an element that requires further review. It just so happens that these are 2 instances of the same element. We can click Approve in one of the pages, and immediately both pages will go live. So, when you amplify all pages, usually you should expect to review a few more elements in order to get all the pages AMP compliant. Now, once we republish the site, the AMP pages will go live.